So this is a new video. We're testing out these Philips over 8000 series, active noise cancelling, Bluetooth, touch control, high-res audio, and like here's a side view. So it comes with like audio cable, even though it's Bluetooth, and the carrying case. Philip, all of the stuff. Cancel 95% background noise. You can just pause the video if you want to do that. These are some nice specs. So battery hours, battery life, active noise cancelling, Bluetooth 5.0, which is pretty good. Touch control, compact folding, mic and control. These look really nice. Because it would also be nice to have an extra audio cable, definitely. Same ones. Oh yeah. So how do you open this part? So like, okay. There's a thing over here. Let's use this to be honest. Okay. There's another side. Right. We'll just slide. Box inside of a box. It's a bit like a we've got loads of instructions, like just like one sheet looks like this, so and then nothing else in this cardboard thing, so yeah. This is like the input where it came from. This. It's got like a different sort of kind of. So it all comes in like this nice travelling case. It's got the Philips logo. These are some microphones. And then volume. I expect you can store the charge in here. And yeah, so we're just gonna have to. Oh, it smells so good. Try it on. So the charger. You can play a game with it. It's really tiny. So how do you turn it on? Well, I'll show you how. Maybe I have to get the. You have an adapter, so guess a quick start guide. Listen to it or something. Information. And another thing which has microphone and the audio. Strange cable. It's like flat. Okay. Now here's the actual things. Philips, they have charging port. These are like touch. I think the touch bar's here. It's got a strange compact folding design, which you have to like take out. Oh. So the audio, it seems to, I can't tell if it's in both ends. One's louder than the other.
Maybe one's for other sounds.
I'm gonna try drive a really loud car, and like test out different noises, and like with different guns. So it's like, I wouldn't say it's better than cheaper headphones. It's just like, yeah, it's sort of phased out a little bit and muffled. That's obviously because of the stuff in it. So yeah, it definitely feels muffled.
Might be better if you plug it in the adapter.
Yeah, I'm gonna test it plugged in because it's gonna be a little bit better that way. And it also means that you won't have to charge it, I'm assuming.
You will have to charge it. Still a few more tests.
I know, there's still more testing. Yeah. This is quite a big, long charging cable. So just plug it in. Not much of a difference. It's pretty much just transferring your iPad's speakers into your ears.
Can't hear anything from here, so it's definitely like. Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I mean, they are quite a nice bit of headphones, to be honest. It's just like maybe a little bit too expensive. About £100.
Oh yeah, there's different modes as well which might help with the sound.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to. There's like touch controls. But yeah. Am I wearing them the right way around? I wasn't wearing them the right way around.